How to update your profile information in Line. In this video, I'll show you how to update your profile information in the Line app. First, open the Line app on your phone. Now tap the Home tab at the bottom left of the screen. Now tap your settings gear at the top right corner. Now here you can see profile, tap on it. Here you can update various details like your display name, your status message, birthday and more. To change your display name, tap the pencil icon next to your name. From here you can change your display name. To update your status message, just go back and tap on this status message and you can just update it from here and tap on save. Now in order to add the birthday, you can just tap on birthday right here and tap your month, year and day on here like this. And once you enter your birthday, tap on done. You can also hide your birthday like this, or you can just show it like this. Now you can just set your profile icon and cover by tapping on here. You can select photo and video from here and add it on your profile icon. Now the next thing you can do is go back and tap on your QR code, and you can just tap on share your QR code from here. And that's it. Your updated profile info will now be visible to your Line friends. If this video helped you, please like, share, subscribe our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.